Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to book an appointment online using our online booking website. Once you get to the link, you're going to see Flourish Chiropractic Spa, and you are going to choose Book an Appointment. From there, you'll select a location. If you're choosing a chiropractic appointment, the location will be Flourish Chiropractic. And from here, you'll see 3 services that you may select from. If you're a new patient, or if it's been longer than 3 years since you've been in the office, you would choose New Chiropractic Patient Visit. From here, you're going to see the available dates, and you may choose a provider of your choice. We have 4 chiropractors here at Flourish Chiropractic Spa. Once you've chosen a date, you may now pick a time. And from here, you'll create an account if you're a new patient, or you'll log in if you're a returning patient. You'll put in your info, and you'll get a confirmation from us. And if you're a returning chiropractic patient, you may choose a 20-minute appointment. Don't forget to select a date and a provider of your choice. There's also a 30-minute extended option for people who want more time or have more areas that need to be worked on. Hope this helps your online booking experience.